For tutorial 3 of Class Agent, we'll talk about how to contact your classmates. Well, of course, you probably have these folks in your cell phone, in your Facebook. We try to make it easy for us to track who's reached out to who and provide some language that can help you as you're reaching out to folks. So through Class Agent, you would click on the classmate that you're working with. And let's say we would do view scripts because we want someone to save the date for the reunion. And we would click on which type of information that we'd want to look at a script for. These two examples are about coming back for reunion weekend. And then we have a text example of working with a classmate on a class gift. So what you could do is copy script, and I'm going to actually go back to letter email, copy script. And from there, you can just go to your email. You can see here that they make it really easy to have the person. So let's say we're going to email Tori. And the subject, we can have save the date as it has here, or maybe we want to have our own spin on it. For this purpose, I'll say save the date. Copy script, and from there I will be able to just hit paste, and it copies the information on there. I can send this email to Tori, and from there you can log your activity where you say that you contacted Tori about reunion weekend on February 19th. And if you would like a reminder about going back and sending them another email, you can do that. And maybe you want to report this outcome, yes or no. Let's say yes. And that would be if you feel like that's the last step. If you say no, maybe you want to do the reminder. Submit outcome. And then the activity will be logged so that we will be able to track everybody's status and know who's been reached out to. If we are not working with donations, then we can just go ahead and put no response for that portion of Class Agent. It takes you back to this area so you can see what you have done in your activity log. And then once you're done, you can return to dashboard. If you need to edit an outcome, you can always click edit and change the different options and going back as far as you need to. For all the different ways in which you can contact somebody, whether it be through Gmail or through phone or through text, know that you can also click here where it will log my Gmail account and it will auto-populate some of the information so that when you hit copy script, then you can just copy and paste and make it even easier for one click, just depending on what you're comfortable with and depending on what your email server is. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to your class officer, or you can email reunions@tulane.edu. And that is the way you will contact your classmates and will be able to keep track of where everyone is in the notification and communication process. Thanks so much.